Hi, I'm Max, a project coordinator at UpKeep. In this demo, I'll explain how you can implement condition-based maintenance through UpKeep's integration with ClearBlade's IoT platform. With condition-based maintenance, your asset monitoring sensors do all the work for you in identifying potential failures and lets you take immediate action so that you don't have to worry about checking up on your assets every hour or so. With condition-based maintenance, you can increase asset uptime by 30%, reduce unexpected failures by 55%, and compared to a schedule-based maintenance program, your average cost savings of condition-based maintenance are 10% higher. Our integration with ClearBlade enables you to implement condition-based maintenance. Any potential failures detected by your sensors can automatically trigger a work order in UpKeep, so that technicians can get to work right away and your overall equipment effectiveness remains optimal. Here's how you can trigger work order requests in Zapier through webhooks and REST API. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Use a post request with your ClearBlade system key and system secret for authentication. 2. Use a GET request to retrieve the specific asset monitoring alert from ClearBlade. And 3. Use the UpKeep app in Zapier to trigger a work order request when that alert occurs. And that's all. You can now sit back, relax, and let your sensors do the work for you. To check out more integrations, explore our app marketplace on upkeep.com/integrations or contact us through our website.